Living with a traumatic brain injury, or TBI, can be challenging, and it impacts everyone a little differently. Effects of a TBI can include impairments that affect concentration, memory, problem solving, logic, and emotions. In more severe cases, some people also have difficulty communicating after a TBI. Words might be hard to find, or speech might be slurred. Some people may only speak a few words, or not at all. If communication is difficult following a TBI, an AAC or speech-generating device can help. Lingraphica devices are designed to help you communicate when your speech is not enough. You can express a wide range of words, thoughts, and emotions with a simple tap of a finger. Communicate by pressing preloaded icons, images, words, and phrases. Enter text and have the device speak for you.
Can we take a picture of the bird?
Draw images on the whiteboard. Take pictures and share them with others. And repeat words out loud.
Thank you for helping me.
Lingraphica devices are simple by design. They are appropriate even if you have cognitive impairments. Adding and editing icons and images that matter to you is easy and intuitive. You can create scripts to practice repeating words that you want to use in your day-to-day life. With Lingraphica, you'll have a device that provides independence and meets you wherever you are in your recovery. Lingraphica devices are covered by Medicare, Medicaid, veterans, and commercial insurance. In fact, 97% of our device users paid nothing. For more than 30 years, we've helped countless others improve their communication and quality of life. Our team is ready and waiting. Contact us today for a free consultation.